This contemporary weekend house is created by the union of two volumes that form an L shape articulated by a covered terrace. The project proposes a constant openness to the garden, vegetation, and tall trees. The distribution of the house allows total independence for both guests and owners. The covered terrace serves as a mediating element and a space for socializing. Upon entering, the covered terrace is visible, inviting newly arrived users to rest. The covered terrace becomes the main point of interaction between owners and guests, being the most public area of the house. A perimeter corridor connects the different rooms, faithful to the movement of a cloister. The project aimed to intertwine with the vegetation of the terrain and explore the typology of a courtyard house, combining, in the longer volume, courtyards that preserve the trees on the site and allow the vegetation to take over the courtyards, creating a house in the courtyard rather than courtyards in the house. With characteristic door windows, the house is always open to the garden and the forest. The intentionally incomplete courtyards, devoid of covering, evoke ruins.